Hello everyone. Every step I'm about to share has been confirmed by experts working here in the shop, so take a deep breath. We're going to fix this together. When the check anti-lock brake system light comes on in your Toyota, the first thought is usually that the brakes are failing completely, but in reality, according to mechanics, it's often not that serious. What's happening is that the system detected something unusual in the sensors or electronics and decided to deactivate the ABS function as a safety measure. Your regular braking still works, but the system is letting you know that something isn't right. Many times, the culprit is the wheel speed sensors. Driving on dusty or muddy roads or even doing a thorough car wash can dirty or wet these sensors, causing the ABS to think there's a problem. Several owners report that simply cleaning the sensors or ensuring the connectors are properly seated cleared the alert and the system returned to normal without replacing anything. Another point often mentioned is that the warning can appear along with other lights, such as traction control or stability control. This happens because the electronic modules are interconnected, and a minor fault in a sensor from another system can contaminate the ABS reading. That's why, before assuming the worst, it's crucial to read the actual codes with an ABS-compatible scanner. Basic OBD2 readers won't show this information. There are also cases where the message appears after disconnecting the battery or performing electrical maintenance. This is because the ABS modules can temporarily lose synchronization, and sometimes simply restarting the system or clearing the codes with a professional tool makes the warning disappear. Some mechanics even notice that drying the sensors after a rainy day or a wash solved the alert, showing that moisture can confuse the system. The good news is that even with the ABS light on, your brakes still work normally. You just lose the anti-lock feature during hard braking. This means the car is still drivable, but it's a good idea to diagnose and fix the issue to restore the full safety that ABS provides.